Well, hello my pretties and welcome back to Witching Around with Leslie. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy to have you here. As you can see, we are doing a Boxycharm, but it's not a regular Boxycharm. I was messing around and came up with this with just some makeup that I have at home. So question is this a Boxycharm witch? October 2021, or is it a witchy Boxycharm October 2021? Let me ponder that one. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's get started. I'm excited to see what's in this box. I have no idea. I haven't seen any sneak peeks, so this is the first time seeing it for you as it is for me. Let's get started. Let's hope it's good because this is October. It's Halloween. As you can see, I love to dress up. I love Halloween. Okay, so here we go. It is the Basebox, of course. Basebox unboxing and reveal. Hello, Charmer. Hello, Charmer. Hi. So here we go. It doesn't feel heavy like they do sometimes. Oh, I am liking this theme. I had no idea. Spellbound. This is awesome. This is perfect. Let's do this. This has got me so excited already. I hope the rest of the box is just as charming as this box, this. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items today. So let's go ahead and get started. So we always start from the bottom. So this is no different. So first up we have Appeal Cosmetics Adhesive Liquid Liner. Okay, I've tried one of these before, never this brand, so I'm very curious and I would love to try different brands. Let's see, it is jet black. Okay, that's cool. Well, it is kind of sealed, but so here it is, and it is Appeal Cosmetics Adhesive Liquid Liner. This is the newest and most innovative way to apply your faux lashes. Step aside tubes of glue. This ultra fine liner is easy to apply and a hot way to spice up any eye look. LEWK. MSRP is $29. $29 for this. Let's see. We're definitely gonna have to try it. Take it out. Ooh, that went on smooth. I've tried some that weren't nearly as smooth. Wow. Okay, okay. I'm a little impressed, Appeal. Let it dry a little bit and then we'll see how tacky it gets. So it's Appeal Adhesive Liquid Liner. Awesome. Okay, okay. I can handle that one. I can definitely handle that one. And look, they bubble wrapped everything nicely. Next up is Camara Aunique Beauty Mary Lash. So here it is. It is the eyelashes. These are small. I like small ones, so that works for me. But so I'll give these a whirl, give these a try. Always looking for new lashes to try. Now let's read a little bit about them. This is the most natural lash in the collection and is perfect for the woman who wants to keep it real with her beauty. It's a soft and light whisper lash that looks perfect on all eye shapes. MSRP is $25. I will say that this is the kind, it looks like the kind where it's flares out more right here on the edge, which doesn't always look good on me because I have such hooded eyes. But like I said, I will give them a try. I'm always happy to try new ones. So here it is. MSRP $25. Wow. Okay. We'll see. The next up is going to be Tynt Beauty, the TYNT Beauty Lash and Brow Duo. And here it is. Lash and Brow Duo. It is black lash and brown brow. Yeah, that probably wouldn't work on me. Black lash and then brown on my brows. My brows are black. Let's just face it. My brows are black. So here it is, the tube. It's a two-sided tube, and yeah, this won't work for me. I guess I could just use it on the lashes, but just give it to somebody who can use it on both. Use it as an intended purpose. And let's read about it though. So it's a lash and brow duo. This duo solves the endless search for mascara and brow gel in the abyss of your makeup bag. It combines two products in one. The mascara is created with smooth, all-rich formula with strong color payoff, leaving lashes longer, naturally fuller looking. Who doesn't want that? And thicker without clump. Sounds pretty good actually. The brow gel is fine and creamy with enough color to achieve natural hair-like strokes of color for fuller and well-defined brows. MSRP $29. I don't really think I need help with my brows. They're so weird as it is that nothing's gonna help them. So I do like the way this mascara sounds, so we'll see. It's a little enticing there. So next up we have the Laura Geller Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer, and it hydrates. It's hydrate. So that actually sounds right up my alley, because I'm always looking for something to hydrate my skin, especially my skin's been a little drier than it has in the past. So leads me to, moisturize as well as other things. Let's go ahead and check it out and read a little bit about it. And well, it looks like I did not get, oh wait, right here, it vanished right in front of my eyes and then came back. Here it is, Laura Geller Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer. I'm going to read about it. Oh look, it's a little pump. Cute, cute, cute. And it's, farewell dry flaky skin. I'm happy to say bye to that. Quench your skin's thirst with this 2-in-1 moisturizer and primer, and save time on your beauty regimen, featuring a blend of hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and antioxidant botanical ingredients. This nourishing formula brightens and replenishes skin for a healthier complexion. Create a smooth canvas for improved foundation wear and keep your face feeling fresh all day. Okay, this is a keeper. Yes, I do need to hydrate, and this cuts out a step. This cuts out doing a separate primer and a separate moisturizer. So yes, this will help. This will alleviate one step in the process, and that is always welcome. Did I say MSRP is $32? That kind of seems like it might be worth it. We're gonna find out though. So, happy with this one. Very happy with this one. And now on to the next and final item in the box. It is Beauty Bakerie Milk and Honey Highlight Palette. Here it is, kind of big, and they actually bubbled and packed it very well this time around. Thank you, Boxycharm. Nothing more than I really appreciate trying to take care of the item in the box. Look how pretty. I love bees and honey and stuff. Get cute. Get cute. Wow, okay. So it says everything on the back right here. Let's read a little bit about it and then we'll check it out. So creamy, you don't need butter. I don't use butter anyway, okay? Try to eat healthy. You'll be all the sugar after you milk that glow with these silky smooth, highly pigmented highlighters. That sounds funny, but it sounds good. These 4 versatile, long-lasting colors blend seamlessly and apply evenly. Grab your bakeware and strobe, mix or layer in abundance. Ooh, that sounds nice. Its MSRP is $38. Let's see if it's everything that it described it as. Ooh, these are big. Oh, how cute. It's got the imprint there. It says milk and honey. don't know if y'all can see that. But very cute. So I see Oh Honey, Queen Being, Be Sweet, and Spoiler Alert. So check out the plastic. So as a recap, these 3 items got me. The Laura Geller Spackle, the liquid liner adhesive, eyeliner adhesive for lashes, the highlighter palette. We have the lashes and the eyebrow and eyelash stuff. So these are the 5 items. These 2 are okay. I'll give the lashes a try. I love lashes. This one is meant for somebody else. And these 3 are definitely keepers. I'm happy with this box. Really can't complain too much. So yeah, way to go, Boxycharm. Thank you. And thank you again so much for watching. I hope that I answered your Boxycharm questions. If you have any questions, you can always ask in the comment too. I'll leave my link for the for Boxycharm there, my referral link. And I hope that everybody is well and stays safe. And thank you again so much for watching. Everybody be safe.